Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for being here. We are back again with another amazing video. I hope you people are doing so well. First of all, I would like to say good morning to all of you. In this video, we are going to give you some tips and we are going to show you some design that you can make in your workshop or at home, and then you can sell it online on the e-commerce store and earn a handsome amount of money by investing your precious time in this wooden art technique. Wooden art and the project have been popular from centuries, and they continue to be valuable source of income for people looking to earn money online. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there are plenty of opportunities to sell your
furniture and decor pieces add beauty to your home due to their
extra
natural,
cash
timeless
for your
appeal
kitchen.
and warmth, versatility.
In this article,
They provide
we will
us a sense
explore
of
some of the
sophistication
best
and
wooden art
elegance
and the
while creating
project
cozy and
ideas
inviting
that
atmosphere.
you can sell online.
Wood's unique texture,
as well
grains,
as
and color
some
enhance
tips
the
for
aesthetic
marketing
appeal of
your
any
creation
space.
and building successful
Additionally,
online
the durability
business.
and the longevity of wooden furniture make it
First of all, we will go
worthwhile
through
investment,
what you can
as
make
it
with
can be
wooden
passed
art.
on through
You can make a
generations.
cutting board, wooden sign,
Welcome back
picture
again.
frame,
Good morning.
jewelry
And thanks for
boxes,
being
wooden
here.
toys,
We
and
are back
furniture.
again with another amazing
Cutting boards
video.
are a
This video
practical
helps
and
you to
attractive
reduce
addition
your
to any kitchen.
waste, and
They can be made from a
we are
variety
going to
of
tell you
different
how
type
to
of
reduce
wood
your
and can be
carbon
personalized
footprint
with
and how
engraving
impactful
and the other
it's
decorative
for
touch.
the environmental effect.
Cutting board are
So let's
relatively
get
easy to
started.
make, and they can be sold
The
for a
scrap
good
wood furniture
profit
and decor
online.
pieces are
Wooden signs are
prized on
popular
their
decoration
ability
for
to
home
add
and the
beauty
business,
and character to
and they
your
can be
home.
customized with
The organic
different
nature of
sign and the
wood
sayings.
bring a
They
sense
can
of
be made from
warmth
a
and
variety of different
tranquility
type
to
of
any
wood,
space,
and they can be
creating
sold at a
an
range of
inviting
different
atmosphere that is
prices
both
point depend upon their sizes and the
visually
complexity
appealing and
in a style.
comfortable. One of the key
Wood
reasons why
picture
wood
frame
pieces
is
are
another
highly
beautiful
valued
product that
in
you
their
can sell
timeless appeal.
online. Wooden picture frame are a
Wood has
timeless
been
classic
used in a furniture and
that
decor
never goes out
for
of style. They
centuries,
can be
and
made
its
in a variety
popularity
of different
has
sizes and the styles,
endured
and
through
they can be
different
personalized
design
with different
trends,
type of
whether
wood
your
and the
home
finishes.
boasts a
Picture
contemporary
frames
or
are
the
relatively
traditional
easy to make,
style.
and they can be sold for a
Would
good
effortlessly
profit online.
complement various aesthetic, making it
Wooden jewelry
versatile
boxes are a
choice.
beautiful and the functional gift that can be
The
customized
natural
with different type
textures,
of wood and the
grains, and
finishes.
colors of
They can be
wood
made in a variety
contribute
of
to its
different sizes and the
visual
styles,
charm.
and they can
Each
be
piece
sold
of
for a
wood
good
furniture
profit
has
online.
unique pattern,
Wooden toys
providing
are
a
a
touch
classic
of
that never goes out
individuality
of style. They can be made in a
to your
variety of
home,
different style and
from
the
the
sizes.
smoothness of maple to the
They
rich
can be sold
tone
for a good
of
profit online. Wooden
mahogany
toys
or
are
the
a
rustic
great option
beauty
for
of
parents
reclaimed wood.
looking for a
There is a
natural and
wide
the
range
rustic
of
and
options to
eco-friendly
suit your
toys for their
personal taste
kids
and the
and the
style
children's.
preferences.
Wooden
Furthermore,
furniture is a bigger
wood
and
furniture
more
is known
complex
for its
project, but it
durability
can be a
and the
great way to earn a
longevity.
higher profit
Properly
income.
crafted
Furniture
and
can be
cared
made in a
for
variety
wooden
of different
pieces can
styles and
last
finishes,
for
and
generations,
it can be
making
customized to
them
fit
a
different
worthwhile
space and the
investment.
preferences.
The strength of wood ensures
Creating a
that
website
your
is a great
furniture
and
will
showcase your
withstand
woodwork and
everyday
sell your
use
creation
and
online. You can
continue to
use
look
website
stunning
builder
over
like
time.
Wix and the other professional looking website, and you can hire web developer or create a custom site for your online woodworking and wood art store. Attending craft fairs and showcase your creativity is a great way to showcase your work and connect with the potential customer. You can sell your creation directly at the fair, and you can use the opportunity to collect leads and build a relationship with the potential customer. By offering customization is a great way to attract customer and differentiate your product from competitors. You can offer personalized engraving, different type of wood or finishes, or other customization option depending upon your product. Collaboration with other artists is a great way to expand your reach and attract a new customer. You can work with other artists to create a unique product, or you can collaborate on a marketing effort to reach your potential audience. In conclusion, wooden art and project can be a great way to earn extra income online while pursuing creative passion. With the wide variety of product to choose from and many ways to market and sell them, there is a plenty of opportunities to success in this field. When creating your wooden art at a project, it's important to focus on quality, craftsmanship, and the personalization. Customers are looking for unique, high quality pieces that reflect their personal style and the preferences. By offering customization and the attention to details, you can stand out for competition and attract loyal customer. When marketing your creation, it's important to be strategic and creative. By using a combination of website building, social media, and personal events, you can reach a variety of audience and build a strong following. By collaboration with other artists and offering customization, you can differentiate your product and attract new customer. Overall, wooden art and the project can be rewarding and the profitable ways to earn some money, whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting out. There is a plenty of opportunity to create beautiful, unique piece that people will love and want to buy. With dedication, hard work, and the commitment to quality and the craftsmanship, you can build a successful online business and earn money doing something you love. As you start your wooden art and the project business, it's important to keep in mind the legal and the logistic aspect of selling online. This including registration your business, obtaining a necessary license and the permits, setting up a payment procession, and the determining shipping and the handling fees. In our today's video, we are going to show you some amazing pallet wood reuse ideas for your interior and the exterior decoration. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for being here, for supporting us, and for watching my videos. So let's get started. Pallet wood can be a versatile and a cost-effective material in use in both interior and exterior decoration. Here are some ideas for reusing pallet wood. You can create a statement wall in your living room or bedroom by using pallet wood to create a unique and rustic ancient wall. Pallet wood can be used to create all sorts of furniture, from coffee table, bookshelves, gazebo, and the benches and the chairs. Use pallet wood to create garden beds for your backyard or the balcony. Simply stack the pallet on the top of each other and fill it with the soils. Create outdoor furniture like chairs, tables, benches using pallet wood. These pieces can be stained and painted to match your outdoor decor. Use pallet wood to create an outdoor sitting area, and you can also make a bed for your backyard. Use pallet wood to create open shelving for your kitchen or the bathroom or the bedroom for a rustic and functional
touch. Create your own network by using pallet wood as the canvas. Paint or stencil a design onto a wood for a one of a kind of piece. Use pallet wood to create a sign for your home and the garden. Stain or paint the wood and add a lettering for a personalized touch. Use pallet wood to create a unique and the rustic flooring option in your bedroom and the home. Create a rustic headboard for your bed using pallet wood. Use pallet wood to create a wine rack for your kitchen and the dining room. Stain or paint the wood and add metal holder for functional and